Morning, my dear children. I hope so you have memorized all the identities which I have discussed in previous classes. So today we will discuss about few more identities. Okay, let us see the first identity in this. Sum of the cube of two numbers. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So children, how to memorize this identity? If you have a cube plus b cube, then you will get here a plus b. And the reverse symbol you will get for ab, means minus ab. Okay, next, difference of the cubes of two numbers. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So similarly, this also, if a cube minus b cube is there, then you will get a minus b and reverse symbol for ab means plus. Okay. Now let us see the third identity. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. So children, based on these three identities, today we will solve few sums. First sum in that, factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube using identity. As 27a cube first term is a perfect cube. So we can write 27a cube as 3a whole cube. Means 3a into 3a into 3a. You will get 27a cube. Similarly, 64b cube is also a perfect cube. So you can write 64b cube as 4b whole cube. So children, this is in which form of an identity? A cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now let us consider a value as 3a and b value as 4b. Let us substitute a and b values in the identity. So 3a whole cube plus b cube means 4b whole cube is equal to a plus b means 3a plus 4b into a square means 3a whole square minus a into b 3a into 4b plus b square means 4b whole square. Now let us simplify this. 3a plus 4b into 3a whole square means 3a into 3a is 9a square minus 3a into 4b means 12ab plus 4b square means 16b square. Okay. Now, if you have factorized this 27a cube plus 64b cube, you will get as 3a whole cube plus 4b whole cube is equal to 3a plus 4b into 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square. Now, let us move to next sum. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square using some non-zero positive integer and check by actual multiplication. Okay, first let us solve by actual multiplication. They have asked us to verify. So, we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So, what they have given LHS here? X cube plus y cube. Now, let us take RHS now. RHS what they have given? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now, let us multiply this binomial into trinomial. As you know that how to do multiplication, x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now multiply x into x square, you will get x cube plus minus minus x into xy is x square y plus xy square plus y into x square is yx square plus minus is minus y into xy is xy square plus is plus y into y square is y cube. Now you observe here children, minus x square y and plus yx square, you can cancel it because they have opposite symbols here. Next, xy square and minus xy square. Like terms, you can cancel it. Opposite symbols. So, what is left here? X cube plus y cube. You have considered RHS and you got LHS. So, you have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now, let us use some non-zero positive integer here. What is a non-zero positive integers here? So, you can take any values like x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. If you can take any values children. X is equal to any number you can consider here. X I have considered it as x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 here. Okay. Now take LHS, x cube plus y cube. Let us substitute x and y values in x cube plus y cube. Then you will get 1 cube plus 2 cube, which is equal to 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Okay. Now let us take RHS. What is RHS here? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. If you substitute x and y values here, 1 x plus y means 1 plus 2 into x square means 1 square minus xy means 1 into 2 plus y square means 2 square. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 square means 1 minus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 square means 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So like multiply 3 into 3 which is equal to 9. So what you observe here, you got LHS as 9 and RHS as 9. So LHS is equal to RHS. So children, by doing actual multiplication we got LHS is equal to RHS. And by taking some non-zero positive integer also we got LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us move on to the next sum. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz using identity. Okay. Now let us see the solution. Here the given expression, what? 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz is can be written as in a form of an identity children. See, 27x cube is a perfect cube. So you can write it as 3x whole cube plus y cube means y whole cube plus z cube means z whole cube. Here 9xyz I will write it as 3xyz. So minus 3 into 3x into y into z. So what I have considered here, x value will be 3x, y value will be y and z value will be z. So what you observe here children, this is in a form of an identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Yes, see once again I am seeing the identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What is that identity? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now let us compare this with an identity. In place of x you have 3x. In place of y you have considered y. In place of z you have considered it as z. So x plus y plus z means 3x plus y plus z into 3x square. X square means 3x whole square plus y square means y square only you will get plus z square minus xy means 3x into y minus yz means y into z minus zx means z into 3x. Now let us simplify this one children. 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square means 3x into 3x is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus z into 3x is 3zx. So this is how we have factorized this identity. Now let us move to the last sum, children. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So what they have given in the question, children, x plus y plus z is 0. So we have to prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So we have one identity. What is that identity? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You know this identity, isn't it, children? But they have given in the question x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now let us substitute x plus y plus z is equal to 0 in the above equation. Then in place of x plus y plus z we are writing 0. So 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, which is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So anything if you multiply with 0, the entire thing will become 0, isn't it? So 0 into this expression will become 0. So 0 is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now let us transpose minus 3xy to the either side. Then you will get plus 3xy. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy. You got, if you have considered x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then you got x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So this part which I have taught you is very important identity, children. Means if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to xyz. Okay, children. Now children, which sums I have explained today are very important. Okay, rewatch the video, understand the sums and complete the given assignment. So children, after completing the assignment, once again you have to practice all these sums in your rough notebooks. And once again you have to memorize all the identities. Otherwise it is very difficult to solve the sums. Meet you in the next session. Thank you, children.